Okay, I get a lot of emails about training questions, so I was kind of deciphering which ones seem to be the most frequent, and one of them is when to use straps. Not wrist straps, we're talking about straps, okay? So to actually grip the barbell. So the key is the purpose. So you have to, what is the purpose of the exercise? So there can't be a limiting factor of grip. So if the purpose is to work your traps, say, so if you're doing barbell shrugs, and your grip is limiting how much weight you can do, that's problematic. You need to put straps on at that point. For any, so then the flip opposite side comes, some people throw them on no matter what. Like they'll do them with, like, I don't know why they do them on inclines. I don't know if it's to be cool or to test fade or whatever the case may be, but it doesn't make a lot of sense. The other one is you see some people, you know damn well, are capable of holding their body weight up on a pull-up, and they're doing, like, you know, sets of 10 or 12 pull-ups with straps. There's no purpose to this because their grip's not limiting them, so you might as well get a little training effect for your grip at that point. So if the purpose of the exercise is not for your grip and grip limits you, wear straps. So like bent over rows, shrugs, things like that should be pretty obvious. For deadlifts, you see a lot of people that are pulling astronomical weights with straps. If you do strongman contests, they're allowed. Great, train with them to master it, because there is a bit of a learning curve to maximize the use of straps, so you definitely want to use them. For powerlifting, that's where it gets a little tricky. My deadlifting mentor, George Brink, who's no longer with us, he'd use straps for a lot of his rep sets, so he never had a problem really with grip. But when you do like higher reps and deadlifts, lots of volume, he might throw in straps because grip would limit him, but grip's not the issue. So if grip's like severely limiting you, like say you can deadlift, you know, 600 pounds, you do 850 with straps, okay, then you would want to maybe train with straps some to train your back and all that stuff, and then independently work your grip. So the only rule we can give you here is, if the purpose of the exercise is not for competition or not to directly work your grip and grip limits you, wear straps. If grip is not limiting you whatsoever, there's no point of wearing straps. So for like pull-ups, light deadlift warm-ups or something, even if you're going double overhand, start off without the straps, then you can put them on later so you actually get a little grip training work right there. So if grip's limiting you and grip's not what you're trying to train, throw on straps.